Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the infinity bracelet. So the supplies you'll be needing is your rainbow loom, official loom, 22 of the outer, so that would be like red, so 22 red, or you can do a different color, and that's for all of these, but I'm just going to base it on this one. So 22 red, and 11 yellow, and 7 green, and a C-clip. You can use any C-clip or S-clip, or even the colorful ones. So let's begin. So for this, you'll be needing the arrow to face away from you. Well, of course, when you turn it, the arrow is going to be facing this way. This is backwards. I just realized that. Well, so have the arrow facing the right of you when you turn it to yourself. So have the arrow facing to the right of you. Then get your rainbow loom bands, and on the top layer, do this. And just put the bands on. Start from this one. So, start from this one. And this is the top row. So, top row, and miss that one. And then start from the second one. And just keep on doing that until you reach this peg. So, my loom just flopped out of my hands, but I'll be right back after I got this one all the way to this one. Okay, so I am all done. Now, still have the arrow facing away from you, how we just did. So when you turn it, it should be facing to the right of you. So now, do the same for the bottom row, and the one that's directly below that, with the arrow facing towards the left, or when you turn it to you, the arrow facing towards the right. I'll be right back. Okay, so now you should be out of yellow, maybe not. I had 2 left, so yeah. So I made one of these. I made this one in the morning, this morning, while I was all ready for school and I was waiting for my mom. Of course, I did not go to school like this in pajama pants. I just changed after I got home. But yeah. So now push down all your rubber bands, and so that when we put on the figure eights, when we put on the figure eights will have enough room. So you just gotta push them down slightly. Mine is looking like this. Okay, so now have it so the arrow is going like this, and then keep your finger on that peg and turn it. Now, keep it so the arrow is like this. Sorry, this is like bad quality because I don't have a tripod going over so I can show you. So now you're going to do figure eights from here to that. So here, I'll show you. And so start right here. Usually I start from here. Something just seems funky. Anyways, so have it like that. The arrow is facing this way when I show it to you. And just do a figure eight like that. And here, I'll do another one. So, there should be one peg in between them. So I am just going to do my figure eights. These take a little bit longer because, see, that, because it takes a little bit longer because because obviously you have to put them on the peg, and then you have to put your other finger there and then move the other finger and then twist it, and sometimes it slingshots. One time it slingshotted me in the throat. So yeah, be very careful. I am sorry about the light bulbs. Yeah, for the hook, you can use the rainbow loom hook, the crochet. The loom band just shot. So anyways, you can use the rainbow loom band, rainbow loom hook, or a crochet hook, or maybe a plastic hook. I don't know if it'll hold up, but so now your loom should look like this, and the arrow is right here, and it's facing away. So now you're going to start hooking them like this. This is going to be a little bit hard to show you, but start from the end. And you need to start from the end, so the arrow right here is facing down, like that. So now, go in the black peg, go down, and grab that bottom yellow peg, and lift it up, and pull it and bring it to the next peg in front. So it should look like this. Now do that again with this one, and go through the black and grab the bottom yellow, and then pull it from the bottom and pull it over to the next peg. I'm sorry if you do not get that. If you don't, then I don't know. I'll do it again. So go down in where the black, if you turn it the other way, the black, you would pull the black up. But go down in and get the bottom yellow. Pull it over to the next peg, and then do the same as we just did. So if you don't get that, I am sorry. Not much I can do there. But there is a very, very bad angle, so yeah. So I am just doing this all the way to the last band right here, and then it should be hooked to that. So now your loom should look like this. One row should be all hooked. And I'm sorry if you do not get the hooking. I'm sorry. I'm just super sorry if you don't get it. I am a very bad teacher, especially if I don't have a good angle. But I'm sorry if you do not get it. That's just what I want to say. I just want to get you that engraved in your head. I'm sorry if you don't get it, okay? Not much I can do. So now do the exact same with the other. So obviously you're going to go down in, grab the bottom yellow, and pull it over to the next one. So super simple. I'm just saying, I am sorry if you do not get it. Like, not much I can really do if you don't really get it. I'm sorry if you don't get it. So just want you to get that engraved in your mind. I'm sorry if you do not get it. Just saying, you probably might, because it's a very simple procedure. And don't grab the black, just grab the bottom yellow. So there'll be a black on top of the yellow. And grab the yellow. And those are the only bands that are on it. Okay. So now your loom should look like this. All of them are hooked over and you have your figured eights. Now, from the arrow, grab these two right here. The ones that you end off with, and the arrows right here facing down. Jay, get the door. Okay. Scare me. So then grab it, hook it over to that one. Then grab this.
Hello.
Hook it over to that one. So that should look like this. Now, hello. So you actually might need 8 extension bands. So yeah. So now, oh god, this is gonna be hard to show. Hello, welcome to the show.
Never mind, guess what I found in bed?
I'll be back. So now it should look like this. Coming from, so the arrow's this way. Coming from me, it is the left side. Go down in and go to the bottom through. So it should look like that. And then put your, and then put.
Yes.
Okay, we're back. So, as you can see, you go in.
No.
You go in like this. So, then it should look like this. And then this is going to be a little bit tricky to do. So now, put your band on your hook like that. Okay, now pull your hook through the yellow. Make sure no yellow gets caught. Move these back and put that through there. So it should look like this. Now just pull it off. And I'm sorry if you don't get that procedure done. But now you can just pull. It's a little tricky. There we go. So now you got this. And this is the body of the bracelet. And then these are the 2 little loopies. And then, ooh, maybe I just did something. Well, I don't think you're supposed to have a black band there, but it's fine. Oh, you are supposed to. That's what keeps the end together. So now your hook should look like this with your green. And then you should have the body with the figure eights. So now get your loom, have the arrow facing up, and go onto your right side, so this side, and just lay out your bands how we did when we did the yellow. Yeah, lay them like this, how we just did. Obviously, hook it on, pull it to the next. Hook it on, pull it to the next. So now, get this green, take it off very carefully, and put it at the end, right there. And then how we did with the yellow when we hooked it over. So like, we go down, grab the green, and pull it over to the next. Grab down, grab the green, pull it over to the next. Grab down, pull the green, pull it to the next. So you got it. And then just do that till you get to the end. Then I will show you what to do. Okay. So now your loom should look like this. So now, go to the end where the arrow is at. Go to the end, grab it, get your C-clip, put your C-clip on. You can either take the whole thing off, or you can leave it on, and then grab your 2 ending beads, and every 2 ending loops. I have 3 right now because that black is really going to bother me, so now attach your C-clip to the end loops. At the end, you should have some loops, and then hook them on. Now, peel it off, and then you're all done. That is how to make the infinity bracelet. Here's this one, and I have this one. Then there's a few more. 1 minute. In my bag of rainbow lamp. We got this one. This one's a blue and green one. I feel like I had another one, but I don't know. I don't see any more. Yeah, these are my 3 infinity resets. So the one we just made has the infinity sign. Then the one I made last night has the infinity sign. Then a white attachment. And this one with the red and with the yellow infinity sign, with the green attachment, and the red outside. Oh wow, okay. So, that is it on how to make the infinity rainbow loom bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in a little bit.